Hey everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how students can use Claude AI to study smarter. From notes to essays, Claude can make learning faster and easier. First, sign into your Claude AI account. Once you're in, click New Chat to start your study session. This is where you'll type your questions or topics. Next, ask Claude to summarize your notes. For example, type "summarize these biology notes in simple terms" or "create a one-page summary of this chapter." This helps you review faster. Then you can ask Claude to create study guides, flashcards, or key points. Just type something like "make flashcards for the main events of World War II" or "list key formulas for calculus." Claude can also help with essays or assignments. Type a clear prompt like "write a 5-paragraph essay about renewable energy" or "help me outline a research paper on climate change." Then refine the output to match your style. Finally, you can quiz yourself, ask Claude to create practice questions, or explain difficult concepts. This turns passive reading into active learning and makes studying more effective. And that's it. Using Claude AI for studying is really that simple. Summarize, generate guides, get writing help, and quiz yourself. Then watch your learning get faster and smarter.